I'm Andrew with Smart Technologies, part of our government solutions team. I want to talk to you today about how our interactive displays can help you communicate securely and efficiently with your teams, no matter where they are in the world. What is an interactive display? It's a large tablet that allows you to interact with your clients and/or customers. This allows you to take things such as mission planning, reviewing of documents, and being able to draw and ink into them natively. It's just as easy as picking up a pen and writing on paper. To help me explain this, we're here with two of my colleagues. First, Marissa. Marissa, please take it away.
Hey there, government innovators. Whether you're in the judicial branch, executive, legislative branch, or the US military, this tech is a game changer for your workspace. In government, it's all about efficiency and clarity. Whether you're coordinating across departments or onboarding staff from veterans to newcomers, smart interactive displays make everything faster, clearer, and more interactive. Imagine having your team brainstorm or discuss policies by drawing, writing, and manipulating data right on the screen. Smart's best-in-class digital ink and unlimited canvas make it easy to visually present and iterate on complex ideas, ensuring everyone's on the same page. When you write, it feels as smooth as pen and paper, no lag. Whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or your own conferencing tools, your office becomes a hub of real-time collaboration. You can write directly on documents, be it PDFs, Microsoft Office files, annotating and adjusting strategies with your team in person or remotely. The best part? You can save your annotations in their original format, so everything discussed in the briefing is captured and accessible later. Smart interactive displays are more than just technology. They're tools that empower government employees to communicate, collaborate, and execute their missions more efficiently. Launch your unified communications and collaboration sessions with just a single click.
Thank you, Marissa, for that great information. To talk to you more about spaces and cases, let's pass it off to Stanton, my colleague. Stanton, take it away.
Imagine this. You've got a room full of new recruits or staff. You need to bring them up to speed and fast. Command centers are the heartbeat of critical operations, where every second counts, and decisions need to be made fast. With Smart, your team can quickly collaborate, annotate mission plans, and visualize complex data without missing a beat. Want to zoom in on a satellite image? Move it around with a swipe. Need to annotate a map? Draw directly on the screen with best-in-class digital ink. And it doesn't stop there. Here's where Smart stands out: security. The Impro series is TAA compliant, ensuring it meets high security needs of your operations. No wireless features or embedded software means no risk of cyber threats. Oh, and don't worry about USB data leaks. The Impro series blocks USB mass storage access while still letting you use keyboards and mice. It also keeps your conversation safe. With no microphone arrays, you'll never have to worry about sensitive discussions being recorded or transmitted. That means your sensitive data and mission details stay secure, making it perfect for sensitive, compartmented information facilities. Trusted by 71% of US agencies, including the Department of Justice, Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, and Department of Veterans Affairs, our users agree that interactive displays cut meeting times and boost engagement. It's not just about meeting spaces. It's about making sure the message sticks. So if you're ready to upgrade your briefing room, speed up decision-making, and enhance collaboration, Smart ensures clarity and speed every time.
Thank you, Stanton. So to learn more about our interactive displays and how it can help you and your organization to communicate securely, go to smarttech.com. Have a great day.